If you're looking for something to do this weekend, make sure to check out Pullman Railroad Days at Pullman National Historical Park. This year's event celebrates 100 years of Illinois Central's electrified suburban service. Visitors can step aboard several historic rail cars, including the Illinois Central suburban cars from the Illinois Railway Museum, explore the neighborhood and plant where the Pullman Company built many of its famous cars, and learn about the history of Chicago's railroading on the South Side. I'll be there along with some of the other volunteers from the Illinois Railway Museum, showcasing the museum's historic IC commuter cars and helping tell the story of Chicago's electric commuter railways. Tickets cost $25 each and can be purchased at friendsofpullman.com. These tickets will include the historic rail car displays from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., along with the walking tours of the Pullman neighborhood and old Pullman facilities. The event is easy to reach by taking the Metro Electric to 111th Street/Pullman. This is just steps away from the event, or if you choose to drive, there's parking readily available nearby. If you're in the Chicagoland area this weekend, I hope to see you there. Make sure to stop by the Illinois Central cars and say hi to the IRM team. Until next time, thanks so much for watching, and goodbye.